question number 3, we have a difference quotient here. And what a difference quotient means is we're doing a subtraction. Right there, we're subtracting two functions, actually a function, one with x plus h, one with just x, and dividing by h. Now this is actually a slope formula. This would be, well, you'll see this in calculus. What this really is x plus h minus f of x, and then you get x plus h minus x. So those are the x coordinate x and f of x. H plus x is the x coordinate and f of x plus h. The thing is the x and the minus x cancel out, and all that's left is the h. But this is really just a slope formula, and when you have calculus, what happens is you let this h become 0, which means that you're getting the slope at a point. You'll go through all of that when you get into calculus, but for now, that's what this is. That's why we do it. So we have to get the function at this point x plus h. So let's do that first. F of x plus h is equal to 3x squared plus 6, and in here we put the x plus h. Okay, so we're going to figure that one out yet. We have to take x plus h and square it, so that is x plus h times x plus h, and then we'll plug it into the 3. So you FOIL this out, you get x squared, you get xh, you get another xh, and then finally you get a h squared. So I'm going to condense that and put it over here. It's going to be 3x squared. You have xh and xh, so that's a plus 2xh plus h squared plus 6. Distribute the 3 through to the function, so we'll have, we'll write it down here. We'll have 3x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus 6. And then we're going to subtract the original function, which is this one. So we're subtracting, so we're going to subtract 3x squared plus 6. I just don't want to write things more than once. So when this distributes, it's going to be negative 3x squared and negative 6. So that's one of the key things, is make sure when you do the subtraction, you distribute it through to all of the original function. So there's our f of x, that's the second part, and this is all now over h. Okay, so this first part is f of x plus h, and the second part is just f of x, and then what we'll see is that we get some canceling going on. We get a negative 3x squared and a positive 3x squared. We get a plus 6 and a negative 6. So what we end up with is 2xh plus h squared. Oops, sorry. I was said I needed to distribute this 3 through, and I didn't really do a good job. So let me back up here a little. This is not just 2x. This is 3 times 2, which is 6. And then this would be 6h squared. 6 here. And 6 here. Not. Should I just start over? Sorry. You probably, hopefully you're following along. Say, what is Little Crow doing here? 3h squared, 3h squared. Okay, and that's all over h. Now we're going to want to reduce this. So in the numerator, we factor out an h. We're left with 6x plus 3h. We have an h down here. The h cancels, and so our final answer is 6x plus 3h. And as you'll see in calculus, now we could let h become 0, and so our final answer will be 6x, and you'll see that's the slope at a point. It's what we call the derivative, and you did it here first in pre-calculus.